In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Asana, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cleanly remove a workspace and what to check before you do it, so nothing important gets lost. Quick reminder, deleting is permanent, so if there's anything you might need later, consider exporting or backing it up first. Start by opening Asana and signing in. On the login page, enter your email, click Continue, then type your password and log in. Use your own account credentials and make sure you have the appropriate permissions in the workspace you want to remove. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana home screen. Next, open your profile menu in the top corner. From here, switch to the specific workspace you want to delete. It's important you're actually inside that workspace, so the next actions apply to the right place. With the workspace open, go through and remove or delete all projects inside it. This prevents orphaned content and ensures there's nothing left behind. Deleting a project will permanently remove its tasks and attachments, so double-check anything that might be needed. If you're unsure, export the project first. Take a moment to scan for team projects, private projects, and anything archived that you still want to keep elsewhere. After projects are handled, remove all members from the workspace. Open the members area and remove each person so you're the last remaining member. This step matters because Asana only fully deletes a workspace when there are no members left. Removing members ensures you won't leave anyone locked into an empty workspace or accidentally revoke access before they're ready. Communicate with your team ahead of time if needed. When the workspace is empty, go back to your profile menu and open Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Account tab. Look for the option that says Remove me from this workspace. Click it and then confirm by selecting Remove. If you are the final member, this action completes the deletion of the workspace. If others still remain, Asana will simply remove you and the workspace will continue to exist for those members. That's it. To recap, sign in, switch to the correct workspace, remove or delete all projects, remove all members, then remove yourself from the workspace to finalize deletion. Always review critical data first and export anything you might need. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along for more quick how-tos.